Okay, so once you've got your WordPress installation installed on your website domain name, you can start to customize it a little more. So currently we can go to the top of the dashboard here where it says My Blog, and if we click Visit Site, this is what the website will look like to anybody visiting it from the outside. So currently where you see it says My Blog and My Website Blog, first thing we're going to do is just change that. So we come back here, go back to Dashboard. I'm going to go to Settings, I'm going to go to General. So the General Site Settings, and I'm going to change My Blog for my amazing website, just to show you where this appears. Okay, so this is where you change that, the site title and the tagline. Then you just click down to here, Save Changes, and then when we go back to the site, Visit Site again, from the top left of the dashboard, you'll see that that has changed here. Okay, so that's your title and your tagline. Now you can click Customize here to change this layout, or you can also go back to the dashboard here and you can put Appearance, Customize here, it will take you to the same page. So by clicking Customize you get the options for this theme. So the site identity, you see here that we've got the tagline that we just changed. You can click here to not display that. If you don't want to display that on your page at all, then you can do that there. If you want to select a logo, you can upload a logo file from your computer here. Just click Select File, Select and upload it. I've already uploaded one here, so I'm going to select it. And it asks you to crop the image if you want to. I'm going to crop it down to okay, I'm not going to crop this image, I'm just going to leave it as that. And you can see that there, that becomes your logo in place of the tagline. You can still display the tagline next to it and have a smaller logo by selecting that here. And these options depend from theme to theme. Each theme is slightly different, but you just click on Customize as I showed you, and you can change it here. So you've got the menu. You see if we scroll down, this is the page. You can change it from dark to light or custom. You can choose the header media, which is the image you are seeing here for the header. So we can upload an image, we can change it here just like we did with the logo. And you've got some other settings there as well. So I'm going to click Publish here, which makes it go live. Then I'm going to click the Close button here. And I'm going to come back to the top and click Visit Website so you can see those changes in place. Okay, so there's the logo. Okay. Now there's many free themes for the WordPress to choose from, and there's many plugins which do different things, and it's basically unlimited how you can customize it. So I can't go over everything for you because there's also plenty of videos available on YouTube. Just do a search in YouTube or Google for WordPress tutorials and you'll find hundreds and hundreds of videos on that. So I'm just going to show you next how to change a theme. So we go to Appearance, Themes, and you'll see that this is the one we got currently active, it says here, and you can choose any of the installed themes here, or you can click Add New, and this will come up with some suggestions of featured, popular and latest themes. So you can basically choose any of those. So some of these require additional plugins. Let's just try this one, install, see what this one looks like. Some of them, although they were free, you have to they ask you for premium add-ons to be able to display some things which you don't really need. Let's just see what this one does. So we'll click Activate. Okay, it says the theme is installed, so we can click Visit Site here, or we can click Visit Site at the top here. And let's just see what we've got. Okay, so you can see that the theme has changed. We've got no header. So I'm going to click Customize at the top here. And here's the options again. Site logo. So I'm going to have to do that again if I want the logo to appear, because I've changed the theme. So I'm going to select the logo. This time it's giving me the option to crop it smaller, so we'll crop it like that. Okay, and there it is there, and again we'll disable the tagline there if you want to, or leave it enabled. We'll click publish to save those changes. Okay, now I'm going to click back. What I'm looking for here is header options. I want to get an image in the header to show you that. So here we go, we'll click on header image, we'll click add new image, we'll upload a file from my computer or PC or Mac. Okay, I'm just going to choose this image as an example. Let's say you had a fitness blog or fitness website. I'm going to click select and crop as before. Actually, we'll click skip cropping because I want this to appear pretty much as the full size. So we'll click skip cropping. Okay, and there you can see how it appears there. So if you was happy with that, you'd click publish, and that would come live on the website. And you can see how it's coming together now. Actually, all these red text, the red logo and the red image is looking quite good. Okay, so we can click back here now, and click back again. You can also customize the colors more. So you've got colors here, you can change the colors. So you can change the column here. You can see you've got the menu in the left here. You can change it over to the right. You can choose to have full width with no menu, like so. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to click publish here. Okay, and now I'm going to close this window, go back to the website. So that's how it's looking right now. So you can see here you've got this sample page here. So I'm going to show you something else you can do also. Let's just click back. So you see this page here, this is a sample post. If you come across to the dashboard here, you'll see posts, and if we click all posts, you'll see all the posts. If we click add new, we'll be creating a new post. So I'm going to delete this one because this is just a sample post, and I click trash, delete that. You'll now see that the site is empty on the first page, there's nothing found. Okay, so we go back to the dashboard, and I'm going to create a new post. So we go to posts, add new. I would say this is the latest post, and just put some text in there, whatever you want. You can add images, you know, you can customize that here however you want. And we click publish. And now when we go to the home page, you can see that it says this is the latest post here, and it just shows a snippet of it. Okay, if you click read more or click on the heading, then it will show you the full blog post page. Okay, now so you'll see that this is a post, and these are the pages. Across the top will be in the menu bar will be your pages. So your posts come with a date, as you can see here. Your posts are set up with a date like a diary or a blog, and your pages will be what you put in the menu across the top. Now you can, let's go back and change that page from sample page. Okay, so this time we're going to go to pages, and we're going to click all, and I'm going to send that one to the trash because I don't want the sample page. And then I'm going to go back to pages, and I'm going to click add new. So we're now adding a new page, and we'll just call it page 1 in capitals, for example, and we'll type in this is my first page, just for you to see. Click publish, and then we'll go back to the website. Okay, so there your page 1 is up there. I labeled it page 1, and if we click on that, you see that this is my first page. This is what I've edited. Now if you click on the logo, it'll take you back home to the home page. Now if you want this page to be what displays here on your home page, you can actually have a page or a blog post to display on this home page. And how you do that is you go to the dashboard, and if you want you go to settings and you go to reading. This is how other people will read or see your website. So you can see your homepage displays at the moment. It's on your latest posts, which is why you see, if I just open it in a new tab, which is why you see the latest posts here on the home page. Now if you want page 1 to actually display here on the home page, then you select a static page and you choose the page here, page 1, and then we click Save Changes, and then we go back to the page here, and I'm going to refresh this page, and you'll see this change from being the blog on the front page to being this on the front page. Okay, so that's now the front page. So those are your basic settings. I mean, there's so much more to go through, but now you can start to, you know, add additional blog posts just by clicking Add New. Okay, so there's a second blog post there. And we'll add another page. Come down here to Pages, Add New. We'll just label it page 2. Of course, you can call it any header name any name you like, any title you want to give it, you can. And if you want to insert an image into the page, so we're going to come up here and click Add Media. I'm going to upload a new image file that I want to appear inside this post or page. Okay, we'll just select this one for an example. Wait for that to upload. And then we'll click down here, Insert into Page. And there you can see the image there, and if you want to put text next to the image, you can do so here, and there's settings to alter how that appears as well. So we'll click Publish. I'm going to visit the site again. Okay, and you can see up here we've got page 2 now, and if you click on page 2, then there is that page I just created, and you can see that over here we've got, this was the first blog post we created, this was the second one, so I can click on here and view the posts. This is my second blog post. Okay, so that's the basics on how you can start blogging, start getting some content and some pages on your website. There's so much more you can do with it, but as I say, there's plenty of videos on YouTube, so I just wanted to show you the basics you need to get started right away and start to create your own